Hello there, welcome to the Ask the Accountant YouTube channel. Today we will be solving question 2 from the Basic Accounting Processing Systems Part 1, September 2020 Diet Past Questions of the Accounting Technician Scheme West Africa ATSWA. Let's jump right in. Before we do that, if you have not subscribed yet to this channel, please do so that you can be the first to receive notification on new videos. Question 2. Which of the following is shown as an expense in the profit or loss or income statement? A. Carriage outwards. B. Carriage inwards. C. Discount received. D. Return inwards. E. Return outwards. Again, like I always say, to be able to tick off wrong answers quickly, you have to learn a wide range of topics or subject matters or terminologies or concepts in accounting. Now, are there any answers in the option which you would like to tick off quickly? Yes, the way to do that quickly is to look at the key terms or key areas the question has asked you to look into. For me, they are expense items in the P or L or income statement. So I'll quickly look at the options and see if there are any answers there which do not possess these key areas highlighted or which do not have them in their answers. We will start from the bottom. Before I do that, I'd like you to know that we prepare the profit or loss account to be able to ascertain the net profit or loss at any given point in time. We also prepare a trading account to ascertain the gross profit or gross loss within a period of time. Are there any answers here which directly relate to P or L account? Do you know? Okay, I'll help you. We'll start from E. Goods which we purchased on credit, if returned to the seller, is termed return outwards or purchase returns. This is a trading account item. So we tick off answer E because it is wrong. We'll go to D. Goods which we have sold and is returned by the customer is called return inwards or sales returns. This is a trading account item. So we tick off quickly as wrong. D is an incorrect answer. We go to C. C is discount received and it has to do with a credit. It is a credit item or an income in the P&L account. So we just hold on to that because profit and loss it is an item in the profit or loss account. We go to B. Carriage inwards. Carriage inwards is the freight or transportation cost incurred by the buyer on the purchase of raw materials or good, usually added to the purchase cost of goods to set the total cost of goods purchased. This is a trading account item as it directly relates to production or trading activities. So we tick off option B because it is an incorrect answer and it directly relates to trading account and not P or L account. Now we look at option A, which is the only one left. Carriage outwards is also referred to as freight out, transportation out or delivery expense. Now, this is an expense and it is related to the profit or loss account. The cost of carriage outwards should be reported on the income statement as an operating expense in the same period as the revenue from the sales of goods. Now we have been able to tick off items which are not P or L items and at the same time are not expenses. So in this case, the correct answer is. Have you seen the method with which we quickly strike off answers which are incorrect and are able to move on further to the next questions? If you enjoyed this video, please like, share and subscribe and have others watch this video as well. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye.